Is your business ringing with calls that go absolutely nowhere?
Is your business phone ringing with calls that go absolutely nowhere? You spend 20 valuable minutes on the phone only to realize they can't afford you, or they're simply not the right fit for your services. The problem often starts with your website. If it's designed with vague language to attract everyone, it ends up truly serving no one, filling your inbox with window shoppers and curiosity seekers.
Every hour you spend with an unqualified lead is an hour you can't bill or dedicate to your best clients. Your primary marketing tool is accidentally costing you your most valuable asset, your time. But what if your website could do the screening for you before a prospect ever claims a spot on your calendar? Let's cover 3 ways to turn your site into an intelligent pre-qualification tool. First, use strategic copy that speaks directly to your ideal client. Vague language like "contact us for a quote" invites everyone to inquire, regardless of their budget or actual needs.
Instead, be transparently exclusive, mentioning that our legal packages start at $5,000 or that you specialize in nonprofits with $1 million plus revenue makes the right people feel seen and gently filters out the rest.
Second, structure your service pages to educate and qualify simultaneously. A giant, unorganized block of text forces prospects to call you just to figure out if they're in the right place. A strategic design guides them through a journey. Use clear sections like who this is for, our process, and pricing tiers to answer their biggest questions before they ever click contact. And third, your intake form is your most powerful screening tool. A basic form with just name, email, message tells you almost nothing about the lead's quality or intent. Upgrade to an intelligent form that asks key qualifying questions. Use drop-downs for budget ranges or specific services to screen for seriousness before they ever reach your inbox. The result is transformative. Your phone rings less, but when it does, it's a high-quality prospect who understands your value, respects your process, and is ready to move forward. At Webmaster and more, we build these intelligent systems for LA's top professionals. We combine senior developer quality with AI-driven speed to create custom websites you own completely, designed to bring you not more leads, but better leads. Book a free website teardown today.